How to download Yubo app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download the Yubo app on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Play Store on your device. Now tap search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top of the screen. Now type Yubo and search using the search icon. The application appears on your screen. Now tap the install button in the top right corner of the screen. Wait for the download to finish and make sure you have a stable internet connection for faster download speed, as well as make sure you have enough storage on your device. After installation, open the app and start using it. That is how we download your app on Android device. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.